GM and welcome to a new video. Today we're gonna talk about Sandwatch. You're watching that trailer right here in the background, and Sandwatch is basically AI streaming, as they call it themselves, and they are currently in season 1, and this ends in the TGE of their token that will have a lot of utility and perks, so it might be worth joining as soon as possible during season 1 to then get an airdrop of the token from Sandwatch. So let's take a look at Sandwatch. This is the website, sandwatch.com. It has changed because they had so freaking high traffic that led to the provider taking down their site, sandwatch.ai, which is how it's normally called, but now they have the site up and running on sandwatch.com for the time being. You're seeing this, and what you want is you want to select a seed, then you need to give a code. You can use my code. I will put it down in the description of the video. As always, all links are down in the description as well, so you can follow along. And what you want to do is sign up as soon as possible, because as soon as you sign up, you start accumulating popcorn, and well, probably popcorn, aka points, will lead to some kind of token down the road. So the more popcorn you have, the better for you. There's certain special seeds for people that know the team. They get a premium seed. If you're in super team, you can get a certain seed as well. There's certain tasks that you can do. Normally you start with a 1x multiplier for your seed, but then you can start with connecting your Telegram. That gives you 1 extra multiplier, link the Discord, join their channel, hold over 1 Solana in a wallet that you signed up with, created a profile, you got invited. So all that kinds of stuff leads to more multipliers, which then leads to more popcorn. As you can see in the leaderboard, there's the airdrops.io. They have basically a super sick multiplier, which brings them rank 1, because everyone that reads the article basically joined through their seed link. But you actually need a seed link to join. So in case you want to join, just use my seed invite and then you're ready to go. That's basically everything that you can do right now. So let's talk about what Sandwatch is. As they say it themselves, a new kind of streaming site, Web3 style, a platform that makes it easy for creators in a community to create and enjoy high quality movies and shows. Sandwatch takes the power of Solana to create a transparent environment, allowing everyone to create, consume, and get rewarded. What are seeds? Seeds give you access to Sandwatch Season 1 and whitelist you for the platform. As I said, sign up as soon as possible to get a seed. Premium seeds are better, so in case you get a premium seed, then you get more perks down the line. And here they say it themselves, popcorn points allow you to be an active part of the ecosystem before the watch token launch. So there's probably gonna be some kind of conversion. If you want to become a creator, you should be active on the Discord and apply there. But they also have a lot of, as they call it themselves, world's leading AI filmmakers there. Achieved certain milestones, such as winning Best Film at the Cannes Film Festival and being recognized as top creators by A16Z. So, roadmap. The watch token will be launched at the end of season 1. So, as I said over and over again, join as soon as possible, because the sooner you join, the more popcorn you accumulate. And if you want to collab, you can reach out to them, talk to them via this link, and then you can join Telegram. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, leave a like, send a video to your friends, and then see you in the next video.